Do you know there's a hairstyle called Proudly Niger? Hey guys, it's your girl Ekem Nudo. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful natural hair updo. I call this style Proudly Niger. This hairdo was worn by Adeze in the movie Lionheart. In the scene where she tried to calm the crisis caused by the area boys in the premises of Lionheart, she came out, managed the situation tactfully, displaying cool competence. I like the part where she looked at them and said, "You say you are a Nigerian. Act like a Nigerian." That is why I chose to call this hairstyle Proudly Niger. As we get into this tutorial, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, and also hit the notification bell to get regular updates on my posts. The first thing I do is to blow dry my hair. So I'm just sectioning my hair into 4, and I'm using Mega Growth Break Free Leave-In Strengthener. This helps to condition my hair and strengthen it. Then I also seal it up with Mega Growth oil that protects and infuses moisture into my hair. Now that I'm done blow drying, I'm going to move to the first step in hairstyling, which is to section the hair into 2 parts for my beautiful Proudly Niger hairstyle. I'm taking clean patterns from side to side, creating a U shape at the top front section of my head. Then I'll just twist down that part so it doesn't shrink and move to the second section at the back. Step 2 is to tie and then gel the back section. And I'm going to tie the back section using thread. I ensure that I brush the edges neatly. Then I hold down the hair and braid it into a 3-strand braid so it stays firmly, and I neatly tuck it away. I'm also applying gel for extra hold. The next step is to prep my hair extension. The hair I'm using for this tutorial video is Natural Twist from Darling. Natural Twist is a beautiful kinky textured hair extension. It simulates the natural kinky hair. It also has defined tight curl pattern. It's about 20 inches in length, and I'm using color 4 because it matches my hair texture. To prep the hair extension, I'll loop this stretch natural twist over a thread. It is very easy to replicate, so just follow what I'm showing you right now. Fold the hair extension lengthwise, pass it over a thread, and create a loop to ensure that the ends pass through the loop. That way, you neatly and easily loop the hair extension over the thread. You can also use wool if that's what you have. The next step is to attach the hair extension to the bun at the back section by tying the thread firmly over the bun. After tying the thread firmly, I'll now twist it. I'm making chunky twists so that I can achieve the desired volume, because this is not a flat hair. I need volume to achieve this beautiful Proudly Niger hairstyle. The next step is to focus on the front section. I'll divide it into 2, and then I'll take the first part. Using my Natural Twist hair extension, I'll just pat underneath to give it more volume. Then I would twist the other part loosely. Now that I'm done with the first section, I'm moving to my second section to pin it down again. I'm just wrapping the 3 twisted hair together, then I'll pin it down in circles to form a nice bun. I'm ensuring that I also crisscross the bobby pins so that the hair is firmly secured. Now I'm done pinning down the hair, and my Proudly Niger hairstyle is ready to be served hot, pepper stew atarodo. I am so in love with this hairdo. It's so beautiful. So this is the Proudly Niger hairstyle. I hope you love it. So if you love this content, I'd like you to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video with people that you know it would be beneficial to, like your hairstylist, your friends, the hair enthusiasts around you. I also need you to join me on Instagram where we can continue the conversation. So tell me, what do you think about this hairdo? Does it look like what Adeze wore at the opening scene of Lionheart? Please, I like to hear what you think about this, because I think I nailed it. Like, I totally killed it. Man, that's just me. I don't know what you think. So let me know your comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.